There are many obstacles on your route to a much-sought victory royale, but internet security should not be one of them. A VPN can be a worthwhile way of boosting your security and privacy while gaming, and despite what you may have heard, your speeds might actually not suffer as much as you think. Getting set up is quick and easy, and in this video, we'll make it even easier. A good VPN can do a lot to improve your online security. Along with features like military-grade 256-bit EAS encryption, that is seriously a mouthful, that will keep you safe in the background, a VPN hides your IP address as soon as you get connected to a server. This means that not even your internet service provider, or ISP, can see what you are doing online. My top recommendation is ExpressVPN. It has a huge global server network, great gaming support, and lightning fast speeds as well. And it also includes some nice extra features like split tunneling. Split tunneling allows you to route only part of your traffic through the VPN. This allows you to protect most of your traffic without having the VPN affect the Fortnite app, for example. Activating this feature is nice and straightforward through the ExpressVPN app. Simply navigate to the General tab in the Options menu, and you should see the split tunneling at the bottom of the screen. Next, click the Settings button and select the Fortnite app to stop it specifically from being affected by the VPN while it is active. Fortnite no longer bans VPN users quite so strictly, but they might question its use nonetheless. This is because it could technically be used by people trying to get around IP bans. If you do want a VPN's full protection while playing Fortnite, ExpressVPN can help you there too. That's because it's what's called a stealth VPN and has obfuscated servers. Obfuscated servers disguise the fact that you're using a VPN, so you shouldn't have any issue while building and blasting your way to a victory royale. While it is technically possible that a hacker can try to access your personal information through games like Fortnite, it's very unlikely. And honestly, you are far more likely to fall prey to hackers and scammers while you're browsing in other tabs. Because of this, split tunneling is probably the best option, as it's also going to get you better speeds for gaming specifically. ExpressVPN's security features provide top protection against both of these threats. However, if you want to use your VPN to shield everything but your gaming, ExpressVPN's split tunneling lets you do that as well, giving you really the best of both worlds, depending on what you were trying to do. Now, you may have heard that connecting to a VPN could negatively affect your speeds. As your traffic is encrypted and makes a detour to the VPN server, you may notice a slight dip in speeds. But that's why a quality VPN is so important, because it will reduce the amount of slowdown that is noticeable to you. In fact, during my test with ExpressVPN, my speed actually improved despite the detour to the VPN server. This is definitely not a typical result, but I think it shows how little the slowdown can be with a good VPN. If you're interested in getting ExpressVPN yourself, I recommend checking out the description box below. Down there, you'll find a full review of ExpressVPN, so you can see why we rated it so highly, and you'll find some discount codes that will allow you to save some extra cash on your next subscription. I'll be showing how to install a VPN using ExpressVPN, but other VPNs will follow a very similar path. Having said that, not every VPN will provide advanced features like the split tunneling and obfuscation I mentioned earlier. The first thing we want to do is go to the VPN site and click the Get ExpressVPN button. You'll be prompted to choose a payment plan and enter your email address. Next, come up with a username and password, and finally, take note of the activation code. Click the download link for your chosen device. Downloading the app literally takes a few seconds, and next you'll be asked to allow the app to make changes and choose whether or not to send analytics. Once the app is ready, enter the username and password that you decided on, and enter the activation code that you noted earlier. And there we go, our VPN is ready in just a few short minutes, but you're not protected just yet. Before you hop into battle to claim your next victory royale, remember you still need to connect to a server in order to gain the protections offered by your VPN. If you want to use split tunneling, just head to the options and choose the Fortnite app as I explained earlier in the video. Then connect to a server if you haven't done so already, and it's really that easy. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, you can really help us out by liking and subscribing, and if you'd like to get notified, be sure to hit that bell down below to get notified the next time we post new content. You can also check out the description box below for a full review of ExpressVPN and some really nice discount codes for popular VPNs. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next video.